Hold still.
Sorry, sir, I'm trying to lock in my WhatsApp username.
WhatsApp has usernames now?
Yeah, you don't even need to give out your number now if you don't want to.
Ah, too big to give out your number, is that it?
Something like that. Something like
He's had the same number since he first had a phone.
So what are you going to make yours?
The username?
OK, champ. What about at the Champhony?
At the real Anthony Joshua.
I need something more low-key.
Here you go, Mr. Joshua.
Too obvious.
AJ, on the room, like a landlord.
Excuse me, can I get the check, mate?
Oh, so it's a privacy thing?
Yeah.
You could spell your name backwards.
Mama's boy.
Mom.
Well, it's true.
I've got a reputation.
Big tipper?
Cheeky.
AJ! Man like AJ!
Thank you.
Don't get much privacy these days, do you?
I've got an idea. How about your first ever username?
No.
At Team AJ.
King AJ!
What's the hook?
Just roll with it.
How about at Just Betweens?
Anthony.
Secret agent?
Not Anthony Joshua. AJ all
What's up,
day.
AJ?
Uppercut King. Can't make it too easy.
I've got to protect that number.
Same number, new name, more privacy. What's your WhatsApp?